Managing custom fields can be tricky. Instead of wasting time juggling settings, what if you could assign smart dependency across multiple fields in just a few clicks? So, welcome to this tutorial on how to create bulk dependency custom fields. So, without further ado, let's see how it's done. Firstly, go to the Classified Listing plugin, then Form Builder. Click on this icon to edit. Here you will get several pre-built sections, but for adding new section, click on this. You can easily drag and drop these boxes any way you like. This is one of its wonderful features. Click on this icon to edit. Provide a suitable title for this. Then you can set your columns for this. Go to the input fields. From here, drag drop down and drop it here. Now set the label. For example, brand names. After labeling, go to the options to set it. If you want more options to create, then click on bulk add. If you want to add multiple items at once, like creating 5 fields or options in one go, instead of adding them individually, then bulk add is for that. Add options as your requirement. Then click on this. You can further drag these options into ascending or descending order. Then save this form. Now back to the input fields and again drag drop down to drop it here. Provide a label, for example model number. Then again, if you want more options to add, then click on bulk add. And provide it here. Now click on add new options to save this. If you want, you can set your options into ascending or descending order by dragging this. Now click Enable Smart Dependency Options for choosing your brand name. According to this, click on Bulk Assignment. Bulk assign usually means applying something like categories, tags, or dependencies to multiple items at once instead of doing it one by one. For example, you could select 10 fields and assign them the same dependency in a single action. You can relate bulk add and bulk assign like this. When you click on assign, it shows which items are already linked. For example, if I select Toyota from the top, it will display all the things that are assigned to the Toyota brand. In simple words, when you click assign, let's say you have 50 model names, then all the brand names will appear and you will see which models are connected with Toyota, which are with Honda, and so on. If you click Unassign, it will only show the models that haven't been assigned to any brand yet. Now click on this to save this form. The form is successfully uploaded. Here you can see the result. If you further want to add more brand, then click on again bulk add. And provide these here. After providing the brand names, now it's time to add bulk assign. So go for that. Select your car brand name. Then select the option for either assign or unassign and choose this series. Click on assign at the top to save. Once you have completed all of these steps, click on Save the form. Now let's go to the customization section. Here you will find the form where users can fill in and submit details. You will provide the car brand names along with their model numbers. If you want, you can also check from your form builder and set it accordingly. For different car brands, you can individually select any model from your created form builder. For example, let's say you want a particular brand like Ford. If it's not yet assigned or unassigned in your form builder, but you want it to use, you will first need to add it in bulk add. Then go to bulk assignment, where you can assign. Finally, save it. This way, you can easily create bulk dependency custom fields on your own. Thank you for watching.